So, ladies and gentlemen, hope you do amazing. So now I have Miss Ritika, and she is going to speak. I'm going to ask some questions. She will answer me. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start. Do you speak?
Yes, I.
Do you talk?
Yes, I
Do
talk.
you walk?
Yes, I
Do
walk.
you speak English?
Yes, I
Do
speak
you go
English.
outside?
Yes, I
Do
go
you come
outside.
inside?
Yes, I
Do you
come
sit?
inside. Yes,
Do you
I
drink
sit.
water?
Yes, I drink water.
Oh my goodness. Do you write?
Yes, I write.
Do you go outside?
Yes, I go.
Do you
out.
come inside?
Yes, I come inside.
Do you speak?
Yes, I speak.
Are you speaking?
Yes, I'm.
Are you
speaking.
going?
Yes, I'm.
Are you
going.
sleeping?
Yes, I'm.
Are you
sleeping.
writing?
Yes, I'm.
Are you
writing.
speaking?
Yes, I'm.
Are you
speaking.
sitting?
Yes, I'm.
Are you going there?
Yes, I'm.
Are you
going
coming
there.
here?
Yes, I'm coming
Are you
here.
speaking English?
Yes, I'm speaking.
Have you
English.
spoken?
Yeah, I
Had you
had
spoken?
Yes, I had spoken.
Oh my goodness, he is catching everything, ladies and gentlemen. Please focus on this. Okay. Are you? Have you spoken?
Yes, I have.
Have you gone?
Yes, I have.
Have you come?
Yes, I have.
Have you drunk?
Yes, I have drunk.
Have you slept?
Yes, I have slept.
Oh my goodness, that's great. Will you go?
Yes, I will.
Will you come?
Yes, I
Will you talk?
Yes, I
will you
talk.
walk?
Yes,
will
I
you
will
write?
talk. Yes,
will
I
you
will write.
speak?
Yes,
will
I
you
will
go?
speak.
Will you go?
Yes, I will go.
Okay. तुम जाती हो?
You go.
तुम नहीं जाती हो?
You don't go.
तुम जाती हो?
Do you go?
तुम जा रही हो?
You are going.
तुम नहीं जा रही हो?
You are not.
क्या तुम
going.
जा रही हो?
Are you going?
तुम कब जा रही हो?
When you.
मैं
when
जा
are you
चुकी हूँ.
going?
मैं जा चुकी हूँ.
I have gone.
मैं नहीं जा चुकी हूँ.
I have not gone.
मैं बोल सकती हूँ.
I can speak.
मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ.
I cannot.
क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ?
Can I speak?
मैं क्यों बोल सकती हूँ?
Why can I speak?
मैं बोलूंगी.
I will speak.
मैं नहीं बोलूंगी.
I will not speak.
मैं क्या बोलूंगी?
Will I? Why will I speak?
What will I speak?
What will I speak?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी.
I will not. I will speak and
I will not speak
I will
anything.
not speak anything.
मैं बोल चुकी हूँ.
I will have a. क्या मैं बोल?
I have spoken.
I have spoken.
मैं नहीं बोल चुकी हूँ.
I have not spoken.
क्या मैं बोल चुकी हूँ?
Have I spoken?
मैं क्यों बोल चुकी हूँ?
Why have I
मैं
spoken?
3 महीनों से अंग्रेजी सीख रही हूँ.
I have been learning English since 3 months.
मैं 6 महीने से इंग्लिश नहीं सीख रही हूँ.
I have not been learning English since 3 months.
मुझे जाने दो.
I have to go.
मुझे खाने दो.
I let me speak.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me speak.
मुझे जाने दो.
Let me go.
मुझे खाने दो.
Let me.
मुझे बैठने दो.
Let me.
मुझे बोलने दो.
Let me.
मुझे पढ़ने दो.
Let me study.
बाहर जाना कम करो.
Cut down. Go outside.
कट डाउन ऑन गोइंग आउट.
Cut down on going out.
खाना कम करो.
Cut down eating.
कट डाउन ऑन ईटिंग.
Cut down on eating.
बोलना बंद करो.
Cut down on speaking.
बाहर जाना कम करो.
Cut down on go outside.
बैठना कम करो.
Cut down on sitting.
वहाँ बैठना कम करो.
Cut down on sitting there.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. क्या तुम जा सकती हो?
Can you go?
मैं जा सकती हूँ.
Yes, I can.
तुम बोल सकती हो.
You can speak.
तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
तुम्हें नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
You should not
तुम्हें नहीं, क्या तुम्हें बोलना चाहिए?
Should you speak?
So ladies and gentlemen, not only tense but also passive. Let me try passive also. Market. I go to market.
Market is gone by me.
I speak English.
Speak English. I speak English. English is spoken by me.
I don't speak English.
English is not spoken by me.
Do I speak English?
English is
English spoken?
is English spoken by me.
I don't speak English.
I don't speak.
English is not spoken.
English is not spoken by me.
Okay, I have spoken English.
I have been spoken.
English has been spoken.
English has been spoken by me.
Okay. So can you just show me that practice whatever you have done within a 1 minute? Will you practice English? So ये 1 मिनट के अंदर जाएगी, पूरा इंग्लिश बोलेगी, पूरा टेंस पूरा 1 मिनट में कंप्लीट करेंगे. टेंस एक्टिव पैसिव दोनों. ठीक है, दोनों कर लेगी. ओके, रेडी 1 2 3 स्टार्ट.
I speak. I don't speak. Do I speak? Why did I speak? Did I speak? Why did I speak? Did I speak? Why did I speak? I will speak. I will not speak. Will I speak? Why will I speak? I am speaking. I am not speaking. Am I speaking? Why am I speaking? I was speaking. I was not speaking. Was I speaking? Why was I speaking? I will be speaking. I will not be speaking. Will I be speaking? Why will I be speaking? I have spoken. I have not spoken. Have I spoken? Why have I spoken? I had spoken. I had not spoken. Had I spoken? Why had I spoken? I will have spoken. I will not have spoken. Will I have spoken? Why will I have spoken? I have been speaking. I have not been speaking. Have I been speaking? Why have I been speaking? I had been speaking. I had not been speaking. Had I been speaking? Why had I been speaking? I will have been speaking. I will not have been speaking. Will I have been speaking? Why will I have been speaking? I am spoken. I am not spoken. Am I spoken? Why am I spoken? I am being spoken. I am not being spoken. Am I being spoken? Why am I being spoken? I have been spoken. I have not been spoken. Have I been spoken? Why have I been spoken? I was spoken. I was not spoken. Was I spoken? Why was I spoken? I was being spoken. I was not being spoken. Was I being spoken? Was I being spoken? I had been spoken. I had not been spoken. Had I been spoken? Why had I been spoken? I will be spoken. I will not be spoken. Will I be spoken? Why will I be spoken? I will have been spoken. I will not have been spoken. Will I have been spoken? Why will I have been spoken?
So ladies and gentlemen, she has completed all tense and voice. मतलब active passive दोनों इन्होंने within a 1 month she spoke. So that's very great. So if you really want to speak like that, please join our class. Definitely I'll be teaching you that how you can speak in a tense, voice, modals, active, passive, preposition, conjunction, everything I'll be teaching you in a very simple and very easy way. Okay, so this is a very good thing I can tell you. And I am not telling this. This is my student. She is speaking. Not only she, but also everyone who is sitting here. They all will speak same way. Okay, so this is all I can say. So if you really want to speak like that, please join our class. Definitely I'll be teaching you like that. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Till the time, enjoy yourself. Bye bye.